Now this is where you don't really want to be moving over, especially when there's lots of traffic around you. At this point, it would have been safer to just continue taking the wrong exit. Don't try and change lanes in front of traffic, as you will get a serious spot for this. Just stay in this lane now. Just stay in this lane now. We're currently driving during that morning rush hour when schools are really busy. So this pedestrian crossing was extremely busy. Make sure when you're approaching, you scan both sides, and even as you're waiting, continue to scan both sides before you continue. Now at this point, it may seem like we waited a little while, but actually we needed to wait the whole time as it was not safe to continue before this. The driver behind us does get slightly impatient.